Since 1939, God has been raising up leaders from this university who have gone on to impact the world.
If He's brought you through these past 4 years, then you can have faith that He'll continue to do so in this next stage of your lives.
Perhaps the answer to being fully present in the moment is that you dwell and you gaze and you seek. So challenge yourself to gaze instead of glance.
And we can stand confident knowing that we will see His goodness in this life because He does not change.
You're about to venture off to your life of service and leadership in the church and in the world.
One thing I ask from the Lord, this only do I seek, that I may dwell in the house of the Lord all the days of my life, to gaze on the beauty of the Lord and to seek Him in the temple.
We are to love God with all of our heart, soul, mind, and strength.
Let's congratulate the class of 2026.
Flourish, prosper, and Godspeed.